لقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu Alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Tajweed Made Easy. This is your brother Abu Muhammad. In the last two lessons, we started the makharij al-huruf, the articulation points of the letters. We found out that there are 5 different areas that the 28 letters they can be pronounced from, 5 different areas. We started the first 3 areas. We looked at the al-jawf, the empty part of the throat and the mouth. Then in the last lesson, we looked at the nasal passage, al-khayshum, and also the shafatan, the 2 lips. Today, inshallah, we're going to look at the 4th part, 4th area that the letters can come out from. We're going to look at the al-halq. We'll find out what al-halq is, how many letters, how many makhraj points, how to clearly pronounce these letters. And also, at the end, we're going to look at the common mistakes that people make so we can avoid these mistakes. Have a look at the board. Al-halq here means the throat. So here. Now we're dealing with here, the 4th part, al-halq, the throat. So inside the throat, there are 3 different makhraj points, 3 different makhraj points for 6 letters. So these 6 letters are called the throat letters because whenever we pronounce it, they come out from the throat. So if you were to say ha, or a, or ha, or ghain, and hold your throat, you find out they come from here. These letters are called the throat letters. So 6 letters in 3 different parts. Number 1, in the lower part, hamza and ha. Number 2, in the middle part of the throat, ha and ayn. Number 3, in the upper part, kha and ghain. These 6 letters, throat letters, they're very uncommon in many languages. In the English language, there's just hamza and ha only. As for ha, ayn, ghain, kha, they're not pronounced in the English language. So those who are from English-speaking backgrounds, we just have to put a little bit more effort, and with practice, inshallah, we'll get it right. So we have here, number 1, hamza, which is the lower part of the throat. Hamza is equivalent to the A letter in the English language. So a, like apple. A, with ease. Very simple. A, an'amta. We open our mouth. A, an'amta. An'amta. Then we have here ha. Ha, huda. Huda. Ha, he, hu, huda. These 2 letters are very, very simple to understand. Now we have here ha. Imagine ha is like, imagine there's spicy hot food. Or the middle part of the throat squeezing itself. So ha. Hasid. Hasid. Then we have here ayn. Ayn. Open our mouth. Ayn. Like there's a fruit. We want to bite a fruit. So ayn. Amma. We have here kha. Kha. Imagine scratches on the sound of scratching. So khasira, kha, khasira. Then we have here ghain. Imagine gargling water. Ghain, ghayri, ghayri. So we have here 2 letters, lower part of the throat, hamza and ha, middle part of the throat, ha and ayn, and upper part of the throat, kha and ghain. Now let's look at some of the common mistakes that people make when they pronounce these letters. These are common mistakes. We hear this on a regular basis. So number 1 here, the word ya'muru. Whenever there's a hamza sakina, hamza with a sukoon, we have to make sure we do not produce a qalqala, echo sound. So here, ya'muru, and not ya'muru. We do not bounce it, echo sound. Ya'muru is wrong. So just go to the makhraj and come out. Ya'muru, not ya'muru. Here. Next one, wahuwa and wahiya. This is very common as well. Wahuwa, we have to make sure that the dhamma here and the kasra wahiya, they're pronounced clearly. So if I say wahuwa alladhi, this is clear. But if I say wahuwa alladhi, wahwa, I'm putting a sukoon. Wahuwa alladhi is wrong. So qul huwa Allah, not qul huwa Allah, not qul huwa Allah, qul huwa Allah. The word wahiya, same thing. Wahiya, not wahiya. If I say wahiya, I'm putting a sukoon there. Wahiya, not wahiya, wahiya. We have here when the 2 letters of the two letters from the throat letters, they're next to each other, 2 of the same letters. We have to be careful that not joining. Like here, taqa'a ala, 2 ayns are together. Taqa'a ala. We have to make sure that pronounced clearly. وذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى. 2 has فيه هدى. فيه هدى, or تطلع على, تطلع على. We have to make sure we do not join them together, which is very common. And the last one is المغضوب غير المغضوب. The ghain here, a lot of the times people they change it, some people they change it to qaf. مغضوب, مغضوب. Because why? Because the ghain is not in the language. We have to make sure the ghain is pronounced properly. غا, غا. المغضوب. And there's no qalqala like the hamza here. Not مغضوب, مغضوب, but مغضوب. المغضوب. So today we looked at the al-halq, the throat. We looked at the al-halq. We found out there are 3 different makhraj points. One in the lower part of the throat, middle part of the throat, and upper part of the throat. And we know that these letters are not pronounced in many languages. We just have to put a bit more extra effort. With practice, inshallah, we'll get it right. The lower part of the throat, hamza and ha, middle, ha and ayn, and upper part, kha and ghain. These are from the common mistakes that people make. So inshallah, in the next lesson, we're going to do the last part of the areas of where the throat, where the letters come out from, which is al-lisan, the tongue, which has the most letters. We'll find out which letters come out from al-lisan, how many makhraj points, how to clearly say the letters, and some of the common mistakes or some of the mistakes that people make, so we avoid it. Until then, jazakumullahu khairan, wassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.